Good evening, student. Today in the chemistry we will discuss about the topic the chemical properties of carboxylic acid, in which acidic nature of carboxylic acid. In the last lecture I have explained the acidic strength of carboxylic acid, aliphatic as well as aromatic carboxylic acid. Now we will move to the reaction. So as we know, all the acid react with metals, form hydrogen gas. Carboxylic acids are the weak acid, so they also prepare hydrogen gas, but they react only some reactive metals like sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, zinc, etc. So first of all, first reaction with metal. Suppose we want to write the reaction with sodium metal. So carboxylic acid, as we know the formula RCOOH, it reacts with sodium metal. So hydrogen, that means we are showing the property of acid. This hydrogen will be removed, or we can say replaced. RCOONA plus H2. Hydrogen gas will form. We have to take two molecules here for balancing the equation. This is the salt. This salt is called sodium alkanoate. One example I am taking. This is ethanoic acid, CH3COOH plus Na. So in this way we will find CH3COONA plus H2. 2 and 2 here. So what will be the formula? This sodium ethanoate or acetate, you can say. Another example, we are taking benzoic acid. This is benzoic acid, and 2 in place of sodium I am taking here potassium. Okay. So what it will form here, potassium benzoate plus H2 will form for balancing 2 and 2 here. In case of the zinc metal or calcium, magnesium, they are having the valency 2, like CH3 COOH plus Zn if zinc is taken. So in this reaction, zinc ethanoate, but the valency of zinc is 2, so we have to write CH3COO whole twice Zn plus H2. For balancing, we have to write here. This is zinc ethanoate. This is the first reaction in which metal react with carboxylic acid, form hydrogen gas. Another property of acid, that is when acid react with any alkali, so form salt and water. If we react to any mineral acid, as you have studied in 10th class, that HCl, H2SO4 react with any alkali like NaOH, KOH, so they will form salt plus water. So similarly here, acid react with alkali, that means reaction with alkali. Reaction with alkali. Alkali means NaOH, KOH, etc. They are highly soluble bases. So what they will form? They will form only the salt and water. Acid, that is RCOOH plus NaOH. This H will replace by Na. So it will form RCOO Na plus H2O. So As in the first reaction we have written the examples, so many examples you can write here. By taking formic acid, means methanoic acid, ethanoic acid, benzoic acid, or any other acid you can take and you can form salt and water. But I am writing one example for you. Benzoic acid I am taking. This is ring COOH plus NaOH. In this way it will form ring COONA plus H2O. Yes student, what will be the name of this compound? This is sodium benzoate. Yes student, you have to write at least 4 examples by taking NaOH or KOH, and here changing the examples of acid like methanoic, ethanoic, propanoic, and phthalic acid also you can take. The third one, if acid react with carbonate or bicarbonate salt, they produces carbon dioxide gas, salt and water. So these are the important properties of acid by which we can check whether these are acid or not. Reaction with Na2CO3, that means sodium carbonate, or bicarbonate, that means NaHCO3. This is also called baking soda. In both the cases, they will form the same salt, carbon dioxide and water. Suppose I am taking the one example, I am writing in different way the structure of a carboxylic acid. You can write like this also, RCOOH plus Na2CO3. This is sodium carbonate. What will happen? The same, that means this H will replace by the sodium. So it will form R single bond C double bond O single bond O Na plus CO2 and plus H2O. But dear student, you must know that in case of sodium carbonate, there are 2 sodium atoms, so we have to write here 2 for balancing the equation. So here also we have to write 2. Example, formic acid I am taking. IUPAC name of formic acid is methanoic acid, HCOO plus Na2CO3. 2 molecules are taken here. So it will form HCOONA plus CO2 plus H2O. Its common name is sodium formate, but IUPAC name is sodium methanoate. Another example, by taking potassium bicarbonate or sodium bicarbonate. So if I am taking benzoic acid plus NaHCO3, so it will form COONA plus H2O plus CO2. But in case of sodium bicarbonate, there is only one sodium here. Or if we take potassium bicarbonate, so one potassium will be here. So no need to balance it, it is a balanced reaction. So this is the first chemical property of the carboxylic acid, in which we are studying about the acidic nature of carboxylic acid, and there are 3 types of the chemical reaction. In the next topic, we will discuss about the chemical property of carboxylic acid due to the OH group of carboxylic acid. Thank you. Have a nice day.